Well, everyone, you've made it. Welcome to lesson 14, your last one of the course. Week 14, as I mentioned last week, is designed to be simple and straightforward. Excuse me, really just a time to celebrate what you've accomplished this year. It revolves around Project 6. For your discussion board, you will post your Project 6 and comment on others. We are all combined again, just like we were in week 1 for this discussion board. So you get to see everyone's final projects, not just your discussion board group. So it will once again be a very crowded discussion board, but one that I hope is enjoyable to see as you look at what everyone else has accomplished. So for this final project, you will walk everyone through a 3-minute video presentation of your business. You talk about how your business works, what products or services you're offering, the tools you used. This should be a screencast, and it should show an active view of your website. This is not a PowerPoint. This is you interacting with your website on a screencast, walking us through your business. The recommendation here is to use Zoom, but I will emphasize you can use any product that creates a screencast. The important part is that you can post this to the discussion board and you can submit this assignment as a URL. So it has to be uploaded, it has to be a video uploaded to the internet to allow others to view. That's really the standard. So the Zoom is kind of the gold standard on this. If you use Zoom, please remember to either turn off the password or provide a password for it. That's the biggest trouble that students get into, is submitting a Zoom recording that's been uploaded that they can turn in, but there is no password access for myself or for their fellow students. So please remember that if you do use Zoom. If you'd like, as I mentioned, you can use any other platform that allows you to make a screencast and put it online. But that will be it. You will have your, as I mentioned, post that same file that you submit for Project 6 to the discussion board for your initial response, and then reply to a couple of your classmates and enjoy the opportunity to see what everyone else has created. Thank you for your time and effort in this course. This year it has been a joy to be your instructor and to teach you along the way. I've been really fortunate to be involved with you guys this semester. Thank you.